Girls and boys, can I please ask you to stand for the arrival of the bridal party?
How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome here to the lovely Lyde Court, where you have been invited by James and Mica to join with them in the celebration of their marriage. And I'm sure it means a great deal to them to have you all with them on this very special day. First, I must ask, who brings this woman to be married to this man?
I do.
Thank you, David. And do you give your blessing and support to this marriage?
I do.
Thank you. Would you like to take your seat?
Thank you.
Perhaps a couple or just there. You could sit there. My name is Fretha Clutterbuck, and as Deputy Superintendent Registrar, it is my great pleasure and privilege to be here today to conduct the marriage ceremony. My friend and colleague is Lexi, and as Registrar, she is here to ensure the legality of the marriage and to record the special event for all time in the marriage records. Since meeting, James and Misha's relationship has gone from strength to strength, and promises made to one another privately are to be reaffirmed before us here today. They have called you together to make their commitment clear to you and to call on your acknowledgement and support. This place in which we are now met has been duly sanctioned according to law for the celebration of marriages, and you are here to witness the joining in matrimony of James and Mica. Before that can happen, I must ask the time-honoured question that if any person knows of any lawful impediment to this marriage, then it should be declared now. Silence. Great. We're good to go. Now, James, I know everybody knows who you are, but I'm required to ask you to confirm your full name. So is your full name James Robert Bolton?
It is.
And Mica, is your full name Mica Rose Harrison? Before you are joined in matrimony, I have to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the vows you're about to make. For marriage in this country means the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life to the exclusion of all others. Each marriage is unique and is to be treasured. It is a partnership in which two people proclaim their love and commitment to each other. It requires trust and devotion, giving unconditional love, and being open, honest, and understanding. Marriage means making a sincere commitment to share yourselves, your hopes and aspirations, and to give support and encouragement as your relationship grows and develops. It is a statement to all those around you of the love, friendship, and support that you wish to share for the rest of your lives. A successful marriage requires mutual support, cooperation, and trust, sharing responsibilities and working through the difficult times which all couples face. It is a partnership which requires honesty, patience, and hopefully a good deal of humour. In marriage, being the right partner is as important as finding the right partner. James and Mica, I am now going to ask you in turn to declare that you do not know of any legal reason why you should not be married to each other. And I need you to reply, I am, to the following question. So James, it falls to the groom to go first. So, James, are you, James Robert Bolton, free lawfully to marry Mica Rose Harrison?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now it's your turn, Mica. Are you, Mica Rose Harrison, free lawfully to marry James Robert Bolton?
I am.
The vows which James and Mica are about to exchange will not be entered into unadvisedly, but with respect, love, and commitment in their hearts. James and Mica, these vows will join your lives, uniting you as husband and wife. The words are formal and legal, a public pledge of your love and a promise of lifelong dedication to one another. When two people commit to a marriage, they choose to turn their two lives into one. You have chosen to make this commitment to each other as a means to nurture your love and companionship. So if you'd like to turn and face each other, you're allowed to hold hands. And James, again, if you go first and repeat after me. I, James Robert Bolton,
I, James Robert Bolton,
take you, Mica Rose Harrison,
take you, Mica Rose Harrison,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
And Mica, now it's your turn, so please repeat after me. I, Mica Rose Harrison,
I, Mica Rose Harrison,
take you, James Robert Bolton,
take you, James Robert Bolton,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
Fantastic. We now come to the exchange of rings. The wedding ring is a perfect circle representing wholeness, eternity, and peace. For centuries, the giving and receiving of a ring is the outward sign of the vows and promises couples have made to one another on their wedding day, as it symbolises unending and everlasting love, and is a tradition which James and Mica wish to follow here today. So we've got two helpers today. We've got Zach, if you'd like to stand up, Zach, and TJ's going to help you. And if you could get the ring. James needs the ring for Mica, please. So James, if you repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
to respect and to value,
to respect and to value,
to be loyal and faithful,
to be loyal and faithful,
never to falter
never to falter,
through times of joy
through times of joy
and times of sorrow,
and times of sorrow,
to be sincere, honest and true,
to be sincere, honest and true,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Thank you. That was
That'll be longer.
well done. And now Mica would like the ring for James, please. Thank you, Zach. That's lovely. Well done. So, Mica, if you repeat after me, saying the words to James. I promise
I promise
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
to respect and to value,
to respect and to value,
to be loyal and faithful,
to be loyal and faithful,
never to falter
never to falter,
through times of joy
through times of joy,
and times of sorrow,
times of sorrow,
to be sincere, honest and true,
to be sincere, honest and true,
till death do us part.
death do us part.
Wonderful. Not going to come off, but
Alright, I haven't gone purple yet.
James and Mica, your marriage has now joined your lives as a partnership. May you treasure this trust and responsibility. The declarations you have made are the ones prescribed by law, as you have made a solemn and binding contract with each other in the presence of your witnesses. And it now gives me very great pleasure to be able to announce that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations! Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to hand over to Lexi, who will take James and Mica through the signing of the marriage schedule. There'll be some music playing. Feel free to chat amongst yourselves, and then after that we'll come back together to conclude our ceremony today.
I know I have my moments, and at times I'm hard to be around. I get impatient when you're getting dressed. It's just, I thought the first one looked the best. You're beautiful, more than I deserve. So listen close to these 1, 2, 3, 4 words. So please keep loving me, because our hearts speak fluently. Wherever I go, whatever I do, the map on my heart leads to you. So baby, please keep loving me, loving me, loving me, yeah. Your lips on my smile are like bees round a honeycomb. You see through my heart's misty window, and out of all the fingerprints, only yours will show. You're beautiful before the makeup's on, and out of all the girls, you're the one I want. So please keep loving me, because our hearts speak fluently. Wherever I go, whatever I do, the map on my heart leads to you. So baby, please keep loving me, loving me, loving me, yeah. 'cause our hearts beat fluently. Wherever I go, whatever I do, the map on my heart leads to you. So baby, please keep loving me, loving me. Oh, ooh, please keep loving me.
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. One of the things that I wanna say just aren't coming out right. I'm tripping on words, you got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to prove. And that's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. There's something about you now that I can't quite figure out. Everything she does is beautiful. Everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to prove. Me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. My friend and me, looking through her red box of memories. Faded, I'm sure, but love seems to stick in her veins, you know. Yes, there's love if you want it. Don't sound like no sonnet, my Lord. Yes, there's love if you want it. Don't sound like no sonnet, my Lord, my Lord. why can't you see that nature has its way of wanting me? Eyes open wide, looking at the heavens with a tear in my eye. Yes, there's love if you want it. Don't sound like no sonnet, my Lord. Yes, there's love if you want it. Don't sound like no sonnet, my Lord, my Lord. Sinking faster than a boat without a hull, my Lord. Dreaming of the day when I can see you there, my side. By my Here we go again, and my head is gone, my Lord. I stopped to say hello, 'cause I think you should know by now, by now, by now, by now, by now.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you could take your seats again for the concluding part of our ceremony.
Knock off the old spray on.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, just so that you know, James is now standing on the right of his bride. This is because traditionally this meant he has his sword arm free, ready to protect his beautiful bride. James and Mica, as you begin your new life together, always remember to say, I love you often. Remember to say sorry when you're wrong. And when you're right about something, try and keep quiet about it. May you always live life to the fullest, laugh often, and have a very long and happy marriage. And so it remains for me to wish you a wonderful afternoon, celebrating with all your family and friends. And guests, if you'd like to stand and have your confetti at the ready. Just a tip with the confetti, it's best to throw it up rather than at.
Eve is ready. Eve is like, yeah.
So if you could join me in a rousing welcome to the new Mr. and Mrs. Bolton.
You can't fill me up with what you got, 'cause my heart's been keeping on. She is love, and her ways are high and steep. She is love. and all my thoughts of passion, and the dreams of my delight. Whatever stirs my mortal frame, will you keep it warm at night? I don't know where you come from, I know I haven't got a clue. All I know is I'm in love with someone who loves me too. She is love, and her ways are high and steep. She is love, and I believe her when she speaks. Love.